excited about this. We've come to this freedom camping area yesterday, and it's got a Kiwi Camp, which is separate altogether to the freedom camp, if you like, but it's in the same parking section, so that people in camper vans can have a hot shower and do their laundry and have a toilet and all sorts really. So I'm just going to show you. So you get a key from the tourist office, which is actually a fob. You download the app and top up your fob with some credits. So we open the door here. This is the laundry, washing machine, tumble dryer, little boxes here that you lock, and inside you can charge your phone or do whatever, electric hoists. Then we come out here and we have showers, which there's a fob. There's a device that you put your fob on, and it takes off a couple of dollars for your hot shower, which we used yesterday. It's super hot, super powerful, 5 minutes, glorious, deluxe. Then we have toilets. Again, those are free, you don't need to swipe anything to get in there. So there's a larger one here than the accessibility shower and toilet. And if we come around here, it's just a hand wash sink. Round to the back, and this is where you can use electric hobs. There's the device again where you swipe or place your fob against it and it deducts $1, or I'm not sure how much it is for the hob, a couple of dollars at the most. Then dishwashing sinks, and again I used this yesterday, 50 cents gave you 2 minutes of piping hot water, really good pressure. So it's just like a fabulous way to overcome the problem which all the locals hate of the freedom campers supposedly making a mess and what have you. But this leaves no excuse. That's cold water tap, so you can fill your tanks. There's a dump up the road, so there's no dump here, but there is one provided by the council just up the road. So I don't know how this facility works in terms of the council and the company that do these Kiwi camps, but they seem to be springing up or about to spring up in lots of locations across New Zealand, and it just makes you wonder, is this the way to go? Which I think maybe it will. There's how it's used. So thumbs up from us anyway. We think it's fab. So we use the laundry, we've used the showers, we use the hot water, and so have lots of other people that were staying here last night. That's the freedom camping area. Everyone's sort of gone now because we're coming up to midday, but yesterday it was last night it was full. So that is where you park for free, provided by the council. And then this brilliant facility was just a total Brucey bonus. Perfect. Kiwi Camp at National Park. We were at Waihi Beach a couple of weeks ago and loved it, so we thought we'd come here and check it out. Right, so here's dump, which is great, all very new. There's a bit of a train going on in the background, so excuse the noise. And this is the Kiwi Camp. So you need one of these first, $5, and I think you get that down the road here somewhere. We got ours in Waihi. Yeah, there's a list on the barrier entry of where you get it from. But what you do, put your Kiwi thing on there. It's Kiwi Cash, that's called, and it'll tell you there's a free space on the screen. You probably can't see it because of the sun. The barrier opens. It's free to enter. It's actually saying that we're already here because we swiped in yesterday. That says over there. And there's Tongariro and Rupeio, everything in the background there. Electric bollards. Then this is the Kiwi Camp facility, which is open for everyone. There's toilets which anyone can use, they're just open. Sink there, which you can use, that just works. No need to no need to swipe. Then the usual laundry in there. Washing machines, dryers in those boxes are places to charge electricals. And I'll show you on here, if you wanted to say use the washing machine, you put your card up against it. That says it's waiting to connect to the internet. It's all off Wi-Fi. Tells you it's $4. And if I wanted to use the washing machine, I'd just click it again and it would say authorised. But we're not going to do that. So, right, so in that bit of national park is normal car parking, or campers have been parking there as well. The other bit is just, it's free, it's just that I suppose it's like security because you're behind a barrier. Toilet. Shower. Oh, oops, all very neat, very stiff doors here. That's the where you'd swipe again. If I put that on there, it should come up. It should come up with the price. There you go, $2 for 5 minutes. And if I wanted to shower, I would hold my fob there again, and it would work. It does. And then the shower toilet. And round the back is the sink. Again, a free sink. Electric hobs, same system. Use the fob on the device there, and then hot water. Here it's 50 cents for 5 minutes. 50 cents for 5 minutes. So all very clean and well used. Last night all the people in the car park here were using it, and yeah, they'd all had their fobs from down the road somewhere. Then if you want electric, this is rather good. We don't need electric, we don't have it. We run off solar, but if you do need it, again, you swipe on there. Is it going to work? Nope. Try that one. There you go. That tells you, you might not be able to see it, it's $7 for 14 hours. So yeah, so if I wanted to use it, I'd just click again. So yeah, all very good. We love it. It's lovely and clean here, big spaces, and I think it should be really super successful. And yesterday there were amazing views over Waihi there. It's just behind cloud at the moment, we can't see it. But yeah, super facility. Thank you so much, Kiwi Camp.